Niggas started on me, try to flex on me, now it's mixed match, yeah, I know. Niggas down talk me, I'm a bitch, nigga, this, I'ma get whacked, yeah, I know. Keep some on me for the get back, click, clack.
What you talking about? Man, I ain't steal nothing. What you talking about? I'm not a thief. It's 2017. If you still stealing in 2017, you a bum. But anyway, nothing vlog, just chilling at the fan band crib. Watching these two play 2K. Sorry, my it's blurry. It gotta focus. I need to change the mode on here or whatever. Hold on. Just like I was saying, I'm watching them play 2K.
Man, y'all be cheating.
Me and Cuz finna play for the bread. Finna get in his pockets. Ooh, get up. Oh yeah, you booty. You missed that shot. I don't know. Oh, you hear? Oh, y'all, but.
What is he doing?
What?
I know.
I'm finna go ahead and get the Rockets.
The Rockets.
Yeah.
Sounds better.
Since I can't trust on the Lakers.
Okay.
Gotta depend on somebody. Or should I get the Spurs? Ooh.
Tell her that I just won't.
Should I get them boys?
What are you trying to put me down?
I can't get the Kings. They got a cold squad.
I did scrape you with the Knicks. I ain't even trying to play with the Knicks no more.
Yeah.
Oh, you got jokes. Okay.
Well, I'll scrape you with them boys.
Gotta go ahead and get these boys. Man.
I might as well just get the worst team to play you, bro.
Oh yeah, you was funny. Yeah, like I said, I came back. Lost by 5 when I was down by like.
Stop trying to correct.
How much in the first quarter? They was plugging you though, cause Brandon Jennings don't hit threes consistently like that. If that's the case, that boy would be starting over D Rose, or be a 6th man of the year. But we all know Jamal Crawford get that every year. I ain't hating. It's just like they can't be playing me like that. 2K better realize they better realize who I am. I'm cold. They must don't know who I am. No. By the end of this year, by the end 2K18 come out, they gonna know who I am. They gonna invite me to the headquarters and all that.
I might get the Cavs, bro.
You gonna get the Cavs?
You got the Spurs, bro.
Is he doing that, y'all? Is he?
Girl, did you just have some hot cocoa?
You got the Spurs.
Squeezing somebody a little.
I mean, Chantel to go get this nigga. I don't even feel like going over there.
Exactly, that's why I don't like hot cocoa.
Go where?
Chantel. For YouTube, but we about to go get this man to jump. Just his car is janky and I don't know what to say about it.
This nigga said thing.
He's just going around the corner and come right back right quick. Then I'm gonna best this man in 2K.
Psych.
But yeah, we'll be back.
Psych.
Can't see you record. This man from the.
Oh fuck! Hold on, wait. Hold the camera. Put the camera down so you listen. What the thing at? I lie about everything. I ain't never been a nigga that lied on everything.
Well, I don't even know how to open the hood. Let's see if you know what he's doing.
Pull up, son. Stop. Look, you almost made me electric. You gonna fuck yourself out here.
Well, that's your... You need some. I'm giving you light, bro. You good on light, bro? You need more? I'm put the high beams on too with my phone, bro. You straight? Bro, you straight? Bro, you straight on light? Bro. I said you straight on light, nigga.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. What are you doing?
It's set right, bro? Bro, I'm not recording you, bro. I got the light on, bro. You over looking?
Oh my god, bro. This man still yet to start the car. Like, what are you doing? Hey, you better hurry up before it start raining.
Where's this weak ass battery? Y'all brought this weak ass battery down here.
Bro, why you didn't just get Dominique? I told you, bro. I don't know what I don't know what's going on.
My shit.
You still recording?
Yeah.
Nigga need to get some AAA batteries for his fucking cars.
He just said that man need to get some AAA batteries for his car. Hey, do you know what you're doing?
What?
You know what you're doing?
Yeah.
Fuck you, bro. Put the car with his car right now. Not to be watching this, bro. You funny as hell.
Oh my god.
We love you, bro. Tell Isaiah big ass to get out the car.
Wait for my signal.
That nigga said, wait for my signal. Hey, what signal? What's your signal? That man not even turning the thing all the way. It's not like he just...
Isaiah don't know what the fuck he doing.
Bro, you know, look, bro, you know you gotta like push the gas too, kinda, to like crank it up. You feel me?
Why you bringing this weak ass battery down here, bro?
No, you don't wanna do that shit though.
Yeah, no, they do. They do it when you.
Ain't you- Bro, tell that man to get in the driver's seat, my nigga. He
Bro,
in
that bitch ain't in park, is it?
yeah, make sure it's in park. That motherfucker probably still in neutral.
Where's the gas?
I'm pressing the gas, boy.
Tell. All right, don't push it that much, bro. Tell him to get in the driver's seat, bro. Damn, bro. Niggas don't know what they doing. All right, try now, bro. Start the car. Put your foot on the brake. What you doing? Man, trying to push the car on the inside.
You got a whole other chubby nigga up in there. You try to push it with you.
Oh my god, this man is funny,
I'm
man.
not gonna look at it. This nigga really trying to rock his car in there.
Hey, here, look, what's this? Oh, that man's strong. But the whole time, it's funny because he ain't got up the car to even help that man.
Your cousin ain't helping you.
He saw. Hey,
your cousin ain't helping
that man sitting in the car the whole time, bro.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
I did. Oh my god, bro.
Oh hell no!
This is the second game. And it ain't focusing.
Third game, bro.
Oh, this is third game. Second game, I won the second game, you know. You finna get the Warriors. I'm finna get the Cavs. He had the Cavs both times. I'm gonna show him how to play with the Cavs. You know. Look at this, y'all. That man threw a full quarter. Y'all see the ball? Look. All net. Let me go ahead and run it back for y'all.
Uh-oh.
Can it work?
And then look at the score. You feel me?
Uh-oh.
See, this how I do, people, man.
So,
This how I do it, man. Close to that 30 piece.
fuck it.
Close to the 30 pieces. Just look at the threes I hit. He hit the same amount of threes. I shot a better percentage.